Hey everyone, welcome back again to H.S.P in World of Chemistry. Right now, your Baba H.S.P is going to give you the trick. Just within few seconds, I'm going to reveal the trick. Just in 5 minutes, or better to say in 2 minutes, you are going to learn all the formulas of thermodynamics, even if you don't know anything. Because in thermodynamics, it's very wide, and number of times the sign, negative or positive, what's the relation, we are not able to understand. तो आइए मैं सभी लोगों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 से 3 मिनट में सारी बात 1 सेकेंड में यस देखिए बस आपको क्या याद रखना है हग 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 मीन्स गले लगना और हग मीन्स हग इन हिंदी हग यू नो HUG hug. These are three thermodynamic potentials. One more potential is there, that is F. But that's not in our syllabus, right? Neither in JEE Mains nor in your NEET. So only remember HUG hug. The where I have written HUG. Place यहाँ पे होनी चाहिए, हिप्पोकैम्पस में फीड कर लीजिए, राइट? H सबसे ऊपर, लेफ्ट में U, राइट में G. हग, एवरीवन से हग. फीड हो गया? Very good. These are three thermodynamic potentials as they are having their meanings. H for enthalpy, U for energy. U की जगह E भी लिखा होता है बुक्स में. In place of U, it can be E also. And G is gives free energy. And you see H.S.P. H, your teacher, H.S.P. Very true. I'm a very true teacher, right? H.S.P. Very true. These four are thermodynamic variables written over here as entropy and pressure, volume, temperature. Now, right? This much is okay. फीड हो गया, इनकी लोकेशंस फीड हो गई. सबसे ऊपर H, लेफ्ट में U, राइट में G, HSP VT, राइट? नाउ सी कैसे काम करता है. H भाई सबसे ऊपर हो, H और U इन दो थर्मोडायनेमिक वेरिएबल्स के बीच में रिलेशन. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स द रिलेशन इन बिटवीन दीज टू थर्मोडायनेमिक वेरिएबल्स. सो आई विल राइट H your H is equal to U. Now see, you have to make semicircle like this. U is going like this. You can make a tub or semicircle like this. इसके रास्ते में कौन आया? P and B. So H is equal to U plus something. The arrow is indicating that energy is increasing. H is equal to U plus something, and that something is equal to P and V. You got one formula. H is equal to U plus PV. Once you got this formula, now you can find out del H. Del H is equal to del U plus del PV. Integrate it. You will get delta H is equal to delta U plus V delta P or P delta V plus V delta P. Right? Now, if you keep something constant, so something will get changed. If you keep pressure constant, so you will get delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V at constant pressure. If you keep volume constant, so this will go. Just see, I have written already the formulas. Where sim at constant pressure, delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. Constant pressure है, तो delta P becomes 0. At constant volume, delta H is equal to delta U plus V delta P. Delta V has become 0, volume is constant. So delta V change in V is 0. So delta V is equal to 0. And for chemical reactions, delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NRG. Delta NG means change in gaseous moles. Delta N means number of moles of product that which are in gaseous state, minus number of moles of reactant which are in gaseous state, right? कैसे आया? We know that the formula was, see, the formula was delta H is equal to delta U. If you keep here delta H, here delta H is equal to delta U plus delta, this was PV. Now PV is equal to nRT, PV is equal to nRT, so in place of PV I can write delta H is equal to delta U plus delta, and here Ng, number of gaseous moles, nRT, nRT, nRT. And why I am writing gaseous moles in place of moles? That is ideal gas you are taking like that. So you see temperature will remain constant. You are carrying out all the reactions in your laboratory where temperature remains constant, pressure remains constant, R is gas constant. So these two things will remain constant whenever you are doing any chemical reaction. These two things will remain constant, only the change will be over here. So I can write delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT, because for liquid and solid the change in number of moles will not matter because they are not gaseous. Now my dear student, this is done, this is done, this is done. Now let's see Gibbs free energy. But before going to Gibbs free energy, give a look. Whenever anything is the form of energy, that depends on moles, and moles means weight, weight means mass, mass means always extensive property. because ये चीज भी बार बार आती तो C H extensive, U extensive, G extensive, thermodynamic potentials all they are extensive, and S entropy extensive, and volume is extensive. Only pressure and temperature they are intensive. Intensive means अगर आप कितना भी लें, whatever the amount you are going to take, more, less, the pressure will remain same and the temperature will remain same. But volume तो change होगा. Rest of the thermodynamic potentials भी change होंगे, right? Volume भी change होगा क्योंकि mass change हो रहा है, तो ये सब तो change होंगे जो होंगे. Intensive property means which does not depend on the mass. कितना भी लो, ज़्यादा लो, कम लो, वो property change ना हो तो intensive property. Now, state function, you see, state, 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 state. All the written things are state functions. So who is not a state function? One slide is left. This one. You see, your first law of thermodynamics, change in internal energy is equal to Q plus W. This is state function, but from where the value is coming, both of them are path dependent, path dependent, path dependent, and this is known as your float. Float means first law of thermodynamics. Now let's come to G. G. Now here G is over here and H is over there. This side we have already gone like this. This side we have made semicircle like this. आधा चांद बनाया था. अब इसका relation उससे करना है तो we have to go like this. See, इसके रास्ते में ये लोग आएंगे. ये blue line. Blue line, can you see? So can I write? Can I write over here? H is equal to G plus something. G plus something. What is something? This is going up. G plus something is what? TNS, that is S and T. Now my dear students, if I want to say the change in H, how to write? The change in enthalpy. Change in enthalpy is equal to change in Gibbs free energy, and this change in whole TS or ST I can write. Okay. Now my dear students, let me bring this towards side delta G. So delta G, if I'm bringing toward this side, delta G is equal to, or let me keep delta G over there, let me bring this side, delta G is equal to delta H minus, so open this, T delta S minus S delta T. Now If I say, let me keep something constant, so you know very well the formula delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. That means their temperature is constant. Everyone knows Gibbs Helmholtz equation. Tell me kids, you know Gibbs Helmholtz equation, but how many of you have come to know that Gibbs Helmholtz equation, that is equal to delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S minus T delta S. Their temperature is remaining constant. That means at constant temperature. That's understood. At constant temperature. I hope that everyone got it. If you're really liking these things, next time I will give you more, the wider one, where you can write in place of delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V plus B delta P. So from this formula, I will let you know that how to reach towards this formula, how to go towards this formula. dG is equal to VdP minus SdT and plus useful work, that is minus NFE cell. From this formula we can reach to this formula, and how to reach from this to this, Baba H.S.P will let you know. If you are interested, for that you have to comment yes, that yes, you're liking all these things. If you're really liking all these things, yes, I will make you perfect for your examination. All the best.